लोधे हैं और वही बजरंग दल के हैं, बनते हैं अपने के लिए भैया। अब हम तो गरीब आदमी हैं, चाहे भैया कुछ भी कर लो हमारे संग।
In Uttar Pradesh, Aligarh, an 18-year-old Muslim youth, Azan alias Fardin, who runs a chicken shop, was brutally assaulted by a mob on Wednesday. The attackers allegedly hurled communal slurs, beat him with sticks and rods, and looted cash, a mobile phone, and a bicycle. His father claims the assailants, linked to Bajrang Dal, also injured Azan's elder brother Faizan and took Azan to a nearby field for further assault, leaving him with serious fractures and head injuries. But police maintain it was a personal dispute, saying Azan's knife accidentally injured an elderly man during an argument, triggering the attack. The family rejects this version, alleging the assault was communal and pre-planned. Police say both parties are stable and legal action will follow once complaints are filed. The case has sparked anger and demands for accountability.